What's up, Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about scraping YouTube content with AI and make.com. I'm going to be showing you how you can get started for free, and then I'm going to be showing you how you can implement and build out these infrastructures for your own business. Now let's talk about the first thing you need to get started with this system, and that is to grab our blueprints. And to get access to these blueprints, you just need to go to digitalplaybook.com. Just go ahead and put in your information, grab the checklist, and that will take you to our free group right here. This not only has the checklist of blueprints, but this has chat, questions, do live streams, some member only things. But once you join, you'll get access to these blueprints. You also get access to a list of 130 plus AI tools that you're able to promote. Also a checklist of content infrastructure, different prompts I use for social media, and some other really cool stuff. So before you dive in, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below. That lets me know you're taking action. And let's go ahead and jump into the system and how we can build this out. So the first thing is, I'm just going to run through everything, is I'll go through Amplify. This is what we're going to do to scrape different YouTube leads. This will be, it processes this transcript, turns it into an outline, and then we use ChatGPT to generate some social media posts. And then what this does right here, the iterator, is it combines everything into, or separates everything into its own little section. So it's going to generate the YouTube script, and then it's going to smooth out the script, and then based off of everything from what it generated from ChatGPT and the social media posts, it's then going to create documents for each thing. Markdown is just the style of like the YouTube script, and then it's gonna add a row to the Google Sheet, search the row. I actually deleted these. This would be like to update it. So what this looks like is, so these is where you would find a YouTube video. So let's say you want to search anything as far as what you want, the YouTube video that you want to base your outline off of, and then you would put it right here and type awaiting. So processed is what you're going to do, obviously, when it's done processing. But if we're starting off, you're going to want to have this in awaiting. And then it would go ahead and, let's go back to make. Or let's go ahead and look at one of the runs. Let's go to actors up here. Which one did I use? I think I used this one. So this is going to be the Amplify actor that you would need. And let me just go show you what it looks like. Yeah, so that's the actor. So once you put waiting right here, then that means you can run this. And then what it's going to start doing is it's going to start scraping YouTube, and then it's going to start generating everything. Now I'm giving you guys this blueprint, so I'm not going to go into detail of what is all in here and everything, but I'll just briefly show you what we're having ChatGPT do. Have it load. This is what we're telling it to do. Then you can read down here. First person POV. Have it sleep. Let it wait. Basically just giving it really good instructions on how to write everything. And then once it's done, obviously it puts it into a Google Sheet, and then this is what the final product would look like. If we want to go up here, this would be the YouTube scraper, and then these are the titles of all the different YouTube videos. And then let's just go with, since this would be mine, and then it has all the different whatever you call it, documents of posts. But let's just go with it from the other database, which is the YouTube one. So this is what it generates you, video description, but the most important thing would be like the YouTube script, for example. Because this is literally something that you could do to like create faceless channels. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create smarter AI agents using make.com and OpenAI by leveraging the platform. Let's talk about what AI agents can do first. First off, like this is super detailed. Look how long this is too. Final thoughts, and this journey doesn't end here. Stay engaged, keep exploring, and continue evolving your knowledge. This would be a really good script for just anything. These are different posts. So we got a LinkedIn post right here. So you can see the level that this produces if you were like a content agency or you're just a creator or B2B founder that's going to allow you to create content literally at scale. What is this, a Facebook post? Delete the Twitter, Instagram. So the level is crazy. So one thing I want to touch on too is, as you can see right here, this is number 2. So basically what we need to have happen is this is what's going to actually run the actor. So if you remember in the beginning where I said awaiting and processed, this is what's going to grab any of the videos that still say awaiting, and that is going to run the actor, which is going to grab that video URL and then scrape it. And then once that happens, these would be on. You would just turn these on. Then that's when everything starts to happen in the background as far as watch and waits for that actor to run. It gets the data sets, and then this is when that process all begins. So this is what I use for my own content creation and some of my clients. Super, super helpful. If you have any other ideas that you would want me to make a video on, just go ahead and join the group and send me a direct message. This system will definitely take your content to the next level. But in this video, I went over the YouTube content generation system. If you want the blueprints and everything, all you got to do is just go to digitalplaybook.com and they will be in this section. Got some other videos I'm going to be making in the future, but that is it for this one, AI Pros, and I will see you in the next one.